Welcome to Redline Review. Excellent engineering and innovative, practical interior design are combined in the electric 2026 BYD camper van. One of the leading manufacturers of electric vehicles worldwide, BYD is the manufacturer of this quick, opulent, and fashionable zero-emission RV. Performance. The 2026 BYD Motorhome's dual-motor all-wheel drive electric propulsion generates 600 horsepower and instantaneous torque. It can travel 700 kilometers, 435 miles between charges. With BYD's Blade battery, the RV can be charged to 80% capacity in 35 minutes. At highway speeds, it is steady, smooth, and whisper quiet, thanks to its low center of gravity and intelligent suspension system. Outside design, the current appearance is defined by LED matrix lighting, a huge panoramic windscreen, and smooth aerodynamic proportions. The RV is powered by a completely integrated solar panel rooftop and 22-inch aerodynamic wheels. It has a modern look thanks to its sleek front fascia and the recognizable BYD lighting strip. Beautiful interiors. This chic, eco-friendly interior features eco-friendly materials and contemporary smart home appliances, a personal entertainment system, motorized curtains, LED mood lighting, and a king-size memory foam bed are features of the main bedroom. Noise-absorbing walls enhance privacy and comfort. The bathroom suite features heated floors, a rainfall shower, a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, and a smart toilet with a bidet. BYD's filtering technology is used in clean water systems. Living area. A large living area featuring a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a workstation that folds up, and a panorama glass ceiling that can be either translucent or opaque. The kitchen has a touchscreen controlled oven, a computerized inventory-managed refrigerator, a smart induction cooktop, and a compact dishwasher. Quartz worktops can be recycled. Regulation of light and climate. You can control the temperature and lighting in your house with smart sensors. Everything may be controlled via the main touchscreen, voice assistant, or smartphone app. Features and technology: satellite internet and worldwide 5G connectivity, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, an AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, an integrated solar array for backup energy and off-grid support, an intelligent energy management system for economical power consumption, and a hidden garage for e-bikes or scooters. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a stylish, self-sufficient, all-electric mobile home that goes beyond a car. Whether camping or traveling overseas, modern travelers may benefit from this RV's innovative design, state-of-the-art performance, and eco-friendly comfort.